That is awesome, Darby. That is rain, buddy. And look at you, you're soaking wet. Oh. Right now, it is pouring down rain in Bellingham, as usual. High definition, you can probably see the drops. And Darby's digging it. In his bee pants.
Did you get those 2 cups?
No.
They got blown away?
I think I saw them out there.
No, they're out there, Lou.
No.
I got your squirt gun, but the cups are still out there. I saw them.
No, I set some on the car.
No, I saw them. They're out there.
No, I set some on the car and now they're not.
They're laying in the grass by the car.
Oh.
Darby. 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 Oh yeah. Days were getting shorter after yesterday. 2 minutes a day. A minute off sunrise and a minute off of sunset.
I guess I need to get Darby like some rain gear. Some little baby rain boots. And little
I got him
baby
an umbrella.
Yeah, I think he's too young for that.
Yeah, I know, but I still got him one.
Cool.
Just like Luella's, but it's not all gay and flowery
Nice.
and floral. It's plaid. It's a dude umbrella. Brand new. Still got the tag on it.
They have these like little baby ponchos. Like full suit rain.
Only one I found is this one.
I saw the cup. It's out there somewhere, Leah. Don't worry about it.
Where is it?
Even if it gets lost, it's just a stupid cup. It's replaceable.
Cups.
Well, I know. It's probably out there, Leah. Don't worry about it.
Sorry.
You're worried about a plastic cup? That's really nothing to worry about, Leah. That's material possessions. They come and go.
Hold Darby.
Mm-hmm.
Wanna go in?
Yeah. Inside your swimming suit, a picture bug?